Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I'm here to share week three, January 16th of Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. Today I'm here to share an altered index card, and this is a 3x5 index card. And Penny has opened it up to index cards and time cards. She still has the playing cards, so you can definitely still do that. You can just pick any type of card you want. So I figured since Valentine's was just around the corner, oh my gosh, and I love hearts and all that. I thought I'd do a Valentine's index card, and that's what I did. And I took a lot of scraps of paper that are in my scrap bag, um, and I picked out all the ones that have hearts on them. This is a Prima strawberry milk or something paper that I've had scraps of, some music notes, some script, and then these have hearts on them. And then this is paper that I punched, I don't know, several years ago. This is a Martha Stewart punch that I remember crocheting on the edge. I used to crochet with this punch back when. So I added this sticker that says Together Forever and some, I think these are heart jemmies from the Dollar Tree. And look how that looks on there. So that is my card. Oh, and one more thing. I inked the edges like always, and I rounded the corners. I just like that look. So yeah, so that is my card for this week, for week 3 for hashtag Deck the Year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.